autocross car is?
Rent-a-car.
A rental car, yes. In Las Vegas, they have a rental car class. You have to run 400 tread wears, it has to be white, and it has to be automatic.
So you drive it like you're renting it? Alright, we're going to check out some times when Joe... Brian Joe... Oh, sorry. Run now. Sean Chen with the GR86 gets a 36.385. Sean is in 5th position in novices.
Alright, so Fernando's running F speed. Fernando is in fact, whoa!
And Elias, oh, that's a DNF for Elias there, I think.
Alright, so here's a top tip. You know when you're like playing sports,